Hi guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So as in this illustration, H Limited manufactures three products. The material cost and other details are given below. Material cost, selling price and bottleneck resources. Details per unit are given as following. So the details are given in the tabular format which contains four columns, particulars X, Y and Z. Selling price 66, 75 and 90. Tag material 24, 30, 40. Time required for bottleneck operation 15, 15 and 20. And the budgeted factory cost for the period are 2,21,600. The bottleneck resources time available is 75,120 minutes per period. And the requirement is the company adopted throughput accounting and products are ranked according to the product return per unit. So we need to find the product return per unit using throughput accounting, and also second part, calculate the throughput accounting ratios and comment on it. So I'm directly going for the solution. In the solution I have made it in a tabular format which contains four columns, particulars X, Y and Z, and I have taken selling price as 66, 75 and 90, which is directly taken from the question, and DAC material cost per unit which is 24, 30 and 40. And when we deduct DAC material from the selling price, we will get the throughput contribution as 42, 45 and 50. Yeah, after that we need to write time taken for 1 unit of product, manufacturing 1 unit of product, which is 15, 15 and 20. And when we divide throughput contribution with time required per unit basis, we will get contribution per unit or throughput contribution per unit or return per unit. And we are ranking the product using the return per minute or contribution per unit or throughput contribution per minute. So in these three products we can find that product Y is the better, which contains the return per minute as 3, and then after that we can find product X as the contribution per minute as 2.8 and product Z as 2.5. So these are the rankings. After that we will go with statement showing computation of throughput accounting ratio, which is TA ratio. So as TA ratio we have so the formula for the TA ratio is cost per unit divided by return per unit. So we didn't find the cost per unit, so to find the cost per unit we have the total cost of the company, which is 2,21,500, which is given in the question, and also we have total minutes available as 75,120. Both these details are available in the question. So when we divide 2,21,500 with divided by 75,120, we will get the cost per unit as 2.9694. So 2.94 is the cost per unit. So when we divide cost per unit with return per unit, which is 2.95 divided by 2.8, which will give 1.05, 2.95 divided by 3, which will give 0.983, and 2.95 divided by 2.5 will give 1.15. So these are the TA ratio. TA ratio is cost per unit divided by return per unit. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration.